Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mainstream Cryptos, the weekly news with Abby. And today we are back taking a look at the 15 most important recent crypto updates that have taken place in the past week. I hope you're ready for the ride. Let's get stuck in. Alright, number 1. Cardano ticks green on key growth metrics. What is next? The digital currency ecosystem is seeing a return to its winning ways after the combined crypto market cap tapped 3.55% growth to top 1.08 trillion US dollars. Amid this growth, Cardano has joined the ongoing uptrend, soaring by 3.51% to $0.2698. With the brewing Cardano growth momentum, the digital currency has pared the losses it has accrued over the past week and is up by more than 10% over the trailing 7-day period. Oh, look at that graph. Looking good, looking good. While the trading volume gives an indication of the fact that retail buyers are quite active in the protocol in the short term, data from Into the Block showed that total holders balance recorded a slight uptick of 0.71% to 9.48 billion at the time of writing. That was a quick but exciting one. Number 2. An Ethereum upgrade which might change Neft's segment for good. An eccentric Ethereum improvement proposal, introduced 1 month ago, can totally change the technical design and economics of the segment of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Besides paving the way for a new generation of Nefts, it can advance the tooling of existing apes and mutants. This EIP, co-authored by the founders of CryptoKitties, the first ever commercially successful Neft collection, allows non-fungible tokens to control ERC-4337-enabled cryptocurrency wallets. For instance, Nefts can make transactions, store assets, and therefore interact with DeFi protocols just like regular non-custodial wallets. The scope of possibilities of ERC-6551 powered Nefts looks really endless. The owner of such Nefts can collect POAPs. The owner of such Nefts can collect POAPs and display them in a transparent and tamper-proof form. In decentralized games, such Nefts can be associated with in-game wallets. This, in turn, will make the gaming experience far more immersive for various generations of players. Spartan Labs researchers indicated a number of other interesting use cases for Neft-powered wallets. They might finally make Web3 publishing platforms mainstream thanks to more democratic content monetization models. Then, decentralized messengers interfaces might be upgraded with such Nefts. Traders can even share the addresses of their Nefts to demonstrate their P&L and trade history, and this data cannot be altered, being visible to everyone via explorers. This ERC is backward compatible, which means all existing Nefts can be equipped with the full range of ERC-6551 functionalities. This can radically change the narrative in the global Neft ecosystem. Number 3. Polygon presents upgradable smart contracts. Should the new proposal be adopted by the community, the most popular EVM blockchain will be able to upgrade its technical design faster and do it in a more democratic manner. However, there are too many questions about the balance of power in the novel hybrid governance model. Polygon Labs invited community enthusiasts to discuss them together. The proposal, dubbed the second pillar, Polygon System Smart Contracts Governance, envisions the creation of the Ecosystem Council, which is poised to be able to perform time-lock limited upgrades to an upgradable system's smart contracts across both Polygon networks, Polygon Proof of Sale and Polygon Zero Knowledge EVM. The Ecosystem Council will be able to upgrade smart contracts of Polygon's networks for the mutual benefit of their users, validators, and developers. The community of Polygon token holders will be able to check the policy of the Ecosystem Council in order to prevent the network from stopping being whale-dominated. Besides being more cost-optimized, this hybrid model is not too sophisticated and is able to encourage more individuals to actively participate in community governance. This type of governance can minimize requirements for active governance, voter fatigue, and apathy, as well as potential attack vectors connected to, for example, regularly held elections. Piece of news number 4. This is painful. Binance US resorts to job cuts as it prepares for long and costly litigation with the SEC. A Reuters report outlined that about 50 staff members have been affected. Earlier this month, Binance US said it was being cut off from the banking and payments partners. On the 9th of June, the crypto exchange serving only American customers suspended US dollars deposits and asked users to withdraw their dollar deposits right away, giving the SEC's extremely aggressive and intimidating tactics. More recently, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao dismissed the notion that the company sold Bitcoin and BNB and termed such rumors on social media as FUD. CZ asserted that the firm even holds its bag of FTT. Sticky situation, therefore, Binance US with the SEC. And only time will tell whether this headlock between Binance US and the SEC is going to result in drastic changes, specifically in the US market for crypto, or if it will eventually burn out. Number 5. However, not all is sad news. Almost $100 million in liquidations as Bitcoin soared to a weekly high. After several days of depressing price movements, Bitcoin finally went on the offensive and shot up by almost $2,000 in the past 24 hours to register its highest price tag since June the 8th. Expectedly, this has resulted in millions of dollars worth of liquidations, with short positions representing almost 80%. Piece of news number 6. Back to litigation and accusation. American Express-backed crypto platform has been slammed with fraud charges by a Texas regulator. The Texas State Securities Board filed an emergency cease and desist order against crypto trading platform Abra and its chief executive officer, Bill Barheit. The watchdog claimed that the company misled its customers and committed securities fraud by offering some of its products, such as Abra Earn. The regulator added that the firm has been secretly transferring assets to Binance, noting that the US SEC has recently targeted the world's biggest crypto exchange. The Texas regulator maintained in its lengthy cautionary letter that Abra deceived the public and engaged in fraud via the offer and sale of unregistered securities. It is always with unregistered securities, oh my word. The company supposedly violated existing laws using its yield-earning product, Abra Earn. While it removed that offering in October 2022, the platform later started selling investments through a similar product called Abra Boost. According to the watchdog, the shift was another way to mislead and scam users. A working group interviewed CEO Barheit at the end of March this year, estimating that parties collectively operating as Abra were collectively insolvent or nearly insolvent. I don't know about you. I can't speak into this particular case. It may well be that Abra was not within its rights to offer those services. But I am just so ready for the whole issue of unregistered securities and crypto to be resolved and for some regulations to be set down in the US, for something to be done, some concrete evidence to be given that we can actually build financially upon. Look at all the crypto exchanges and their affiliates who are literally deciding not to operate in the US because of the unregulatory uncertainty. It's not even because of unpopular regulations, it's literally because there's just uncertainty. I am so ready for something to be done about that. Number 7. Oh, this is fun. The London Lions Basketball Club plans to accept Doge and XRP. London Lions, a professional basketball club in the UK, has taken a tentative step into the crypto realm by forming a partnership with BitPay to accept digital currencies for goods purchases. In a first for the crypto and sports world, the alliance essentially means the professional basketball team is now indirectly backing the adoption of popular digital currencies such as Dogecoin and XRP. Moreover, BitPay facilitates the use of cryptocurrencies by fans and the general public who want to purchase team jerseys and accessories. BitPay supports a wide variety of digital currencies, including Dogecoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, among others. And number 8. Okay, Aptos rises to the top, emerging as a promising long-term investment. Recently, the cryptocurrency Aptos has shown a massive increase of 10.82% in the past 24 hours. Moreover, the increase takes Aptos to the top of the gainer list. The sudden and significant rise in Aptos's trading price has ignited curiosity among traders. A few days ago, Aptos was leading at the top of the decliners list. Now it has become the top gainer in the last 24 hours, while the whole crypto community watches out for the SEC's lawsuit against the top crypto exchanges. The sudden surge of Aptos brings back trust in the crypto market. I would hardly go that far. I think that's an overstatement. There's no particular reason to believe that this price increase will be sustained, or even that it will be maintained. So I think it takes it too far to say that we can restore trust in the market based on this anomaly. But it certainly will be interesting to see what price action follows. In any case, heading on to number 9. Breaking records. Litecoin hits 200 million total addresses milestone. That's a big one. Litecoin reached 200 million total addresses. The Litecoin's recent achievements resulted in a surge in its trading price. How nice for Litecoin. Litecoin has achieved a record-breaking milestone, strengthening its position as one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the market. Moreover, the milestone signifies the growth of Litecoin in the crypto market. Following the 25 million transaction record, Litecoin sets another groundbreaking achievement. Number 10. Binance is leaving the Dutch market, and here's when. Global cryptocurrency exchange Binance has terminated its services in the Netherlands, exiting the Dutch market after a failed bid to obtain a virtual asset service provider license. The termination of services is effective immediately, and no new customers from the Netherlands can open an account with the crypto exchange. From July the 17th onwards, existing Dutch customers will only be able to withdraw assets from the Binance platform, and no further purchases, trades, or deposits will be possible from today. Binance claimed it explored many alternative avenues to serve Dutch residents in compliance with local regulations. However, no such avenues offered a path to VASP registration. The crypto exchange is currently sending out emails to its Dutch customers with comprehensive information about the next steps they need to take with their Binance accounts. If you are in the Netherlands, my sincere condolences. 11. Oh, we get to talk a little bit about games. Nike teases an upcoming Euphoria Neft sneaker hunt on Fortnite. In a short promotional video, Nike's logo for its Web3 platform Swoosh featured alongside the logos for Epic Games' Unreal Engine and Fortnite. Footwear and apparel giant Nike has hinted that it may soon drop a collection of sneaker non-fungible tokens in Epic Games' widely popular online game Fortnite. The move would mark a potentially massive opportunity for Web3 adoption by traditional gamers, given that Fortnite has had more than 242.9 million active players over the past 30 days, according to Active Player. That's a lot, massive marketplace, and I think Nike is going to make the most of that opportunity. Piece of news number 12. BUSD falls to 4th position among stablecoins. The United States dollar-pegged Binance USD stablecoin now sits at 4th position in market capitalization among other stablecoins, following a dip of over $1 billion in the past 30 days, as data from CoinMarketCap shows. At the time of writing, the BUSD market cap stands at $4.3 billion, which is down 29% from $5.54 billion on the 18th of May. The stablecoin has been in a downward trend since December 2022, when its market cap topped $23 billion. 13. Bitcoin dominance reaches a 2-year high amid regulatory challenges for altcoins. Bitcoin's share of the overall crypto market capitalization, the so-called Bitcoin dominance, is nearing a 2-year high amid a regulatory crackdown on altcoins and crypto companies in the US. As of Friday at press time, the Bitcoin dominance stood at 47.8%, just below a short-lived peak from July of 2021 that reached 48.2%. 14. Polygon sees a surge in whale buying despite US regulatory pressure. The latest data on Matic reveals that the pressure from US regulators has not seemed to totally unsettle some prominent investors, as evidenced by a notable increase in whale transactions exceeding $1 million in recent days. However, despite the increase in whale appetite, the cryptocurrency has failed to sustain a strong upward momentum at the time of writing. CoinMarketCap reports Matic's current price as $0.5818, reflecting a decline of 2.33% within the past 24 hours. Additionally, the cryptocurrency has witnessed a substantial slump of 25.93% over the past 7 days. And lastly, number 15. Apple's Vision Pro launch impacts the metaverse, and why this token is recorded 160% in profits. The crypto market has been flowing in a sea of red as major assets experienced a correction over the weekend, but tech giant Apple could offer some relief. Every cryptocurrency except for Bitcoin trended to the downside, but some sectors have bloomed amidst the panic and selling pressure. In particular, some tokens in the metaverse sector have seen important profits. The asset's positive price action, defying the overall trend in the crypto market, seems related to Apple's launch of its new product, the Vision Pro. Apple's Vision Pro is the company's first spatial computer. The headset will allow users to blend the physical with the digital world. In that sense, people will have the capacity to interact with applications, content, media across different formats, and more. The metaverse and the projects using blockchain technologies to support their platforms want to achieve the same objectives. Thus, there has been a growing correlation between metaverse tokens and announcements from big tech companies related to the sector. According to a study from CoinGecko, the Apple Vision Pro highlighted the positive performance of metaverse and augmented reality tokens. At its publication, the study showed that OVE and its native metaverse token, OVR, saw a 168.6% increase on the back of the announcement. And that is that 15 of the most interesting and important things that have been happening in crypto in the past 7 days. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to Mainstream Cryptos so that you don't have to miss a single news update, which means that you can continue to do your investing and trading with all the knowledge you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to join us again next week. I'll be seeing you.